Come on, give me some more lightning. Give me some more lightning. There were some pretty heavy ones a second ago. That's crazy. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. The neighbor was just like, nice California weather. Fuck yeah. I miss this weather. Actually, I've never seen it this bad. Come on, give me some flashes. Where are the flashes? Some crazy motherfucker. Give me some lightning. Give me some big crackles. Oh, I'm getting fucking wet out here. Shit. It's raining more. Oh, there we go. That was a flash. Too bad I missed it. Come on, where's the thunder? Give me the thunder. Yeah. God, I love nature. Feel the wrath of the almighty and powerful. No. Feel the thunder. Yeah, some people watching this are gonna think, whoa, that guy is a fucking nerd. But I guess I am, especially if I'm filming a lightning storm. Or filming the sound of a lightning storm, because I can't see shit.